Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I'm just sharing my screen.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes,
वॉइस आ
ma'am.
रही है ना सभी वॉइस आ रही है ना सभी को? चलो, नीतीश ये बताओ, स्क्रीन इज विजिबल और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
स्क्रीन विजिबल है? नीतीश,
Yes,
सोमनाथ,
ma'am.
विशाल, यस,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
स्क्रीन है बच्चों सभी को? चलो,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, ओके। So tell me, what was the last topic what we have discussed? Can anyone tell me about the previous topic? What we
Ma'am,
have
10.
discussed? Tenses. Tenses we have discussed. So any problem in tense? Any problem in tenses?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So have you revised some questions? Have you revised some exercise of tenses? Have you revised it or not? Tell me. Honestly, tell me. Have you practiced this or not? सभी ने टेंस की प्रैक्टिस की या नहीं की है, ये बताओ मेरे को। इफ यू आर नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग बेटर तो फिर बहुत जल्दी आप भूल जाओगे, है ना, क्योंकि टेंसेस का जो स्ट्रक्चर है दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो थोड़ा
Ma'am.
सा वी नीड टू रिवाइज 2-3 टाइम्स बेटा, देन थिंग्स विल बी यू कैन रिकॉल। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो थोड़ा सा आप प्रैक्टिस
Yes,
करते
ma'am.
रहिए। अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है तो यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम, यू कैन आस्क मी अगेन कि
Good
मैम
afternoon, ma'am.
मुझे ये। गुड आफ्टरनून, वेरी गुड, गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स, है ना। तो प्रैक्टिस करना बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है ना, प्रैक्टिस करना। चाहे हम छोटी चीज पढ़ते हैं या कुछ कोई भी टॉपिक पढ़ते हैं, अगर उसकी हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं अच्छे से, दैट इज मोर गुड। इफ यू आर नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग बेटर, कि आप कितना भी अच्छी चीज पढ़ लो या कितना ही मतलब कोई भी टॉपिक पढ़ लो बच्चों, तो आप बहुत जल्दी उसको भूल जाओगे, है ना। तो प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, योर प्रैक्टिस, ठीक है। चलो, so without wasting time, we are just starting our topic. Actually, effective of communications. So we have already discussed about this topic, effective communication. Why we are talking about the effective communication skills. So can anyone tell me about the communication skills? Can any student tell me communication skills? Why we are emphasizing and why we are focusing about the many times about the effective communication skills? Yes, any student can tell me about the communication, because this is not new for you, because we have already discussed about the communication. Yes, so can you tell me
Sharing a
about the
feeling about idea person, ma'am, from one person to another.
okay, और कुछ new thing?
Sharing idea and feeling together.
Okay, sharing ideas, feelings, yes, very good. और कोई? Yes, कुछ और जो आप ऐड करना चाहो इसमें इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स में? देखो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस टॉपिक, योर ऑब्जेक्टिव शुड बी क्लियर, राइट? सो here we are just discussing about the objectives, okay? Objective of communication skills. So students, define and understand communication and the communication process. That is the most important thing, before starting communication and before starting effective communication. You need to focus about the process. What is the process of communication? So second point, we have list and overcome. So now you need to list and overcome the filters and you need to overcome the barriers in a communication process, right? So if you are practicing, if you're revising, if there is any hurdles, if there is any problem, if there is any barriers, any problem, so you need to overcome that. Okay, so list and overcome the filters, barriers in a communication process. Next point is practice active listening. So these are some objective ideas, students. कि practice, देखो, before taking this lecture we have discussed many times, practice what? Practice active listening. Okay, so you need to focus and also have a good listening, skill. Okay, so active listening is very very important. Whatever is, whatever we are just providing you, and whatever you are listening and whatever you are doing, so your listening skills is very very important. We must listen carefully, right? So this is the objective also. Next is your tips. So last objective of tips to improve verbal and non-verbal communication. Those students who are having problem, okay, problem, and having hesitation, and having problem, hesitation, and facing problem front of people, and having problem, cannot express our views, express our ideas freely, frankly, you know so students, we need to just improve it. Okay, am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so my dear students, the most important point is the, just a minute, Rahul. Yes. So, student, tips to improve verbal and non-verbal communication. This is the most important. We need to practice of verbal and non-verbal communication, right? Next is your point is what is communication. Many times, several times we have discussed about the what is communication. Why we are talking about the factors of communication. So, communication is the art of transmitting. So, my dear students, first of all, we need to understand that this is the art. Art क्या है बच्चों की? Transmitting. So now your teacher, what we are doing here, we are just transforming. Okay, we are just transmitting information to you. Okay, we are just transmitting information, our ideas, our attitude from one person to another. So now we are just molding some points here. कि communication is the art of transmitting information, information, and ideas and attitude from one person to another. So communication is the process of meaningful interaction among human beings. So this is the most highlighted points. This is the most highlighted point is meaningful actually. Okay, as it does not does not mean मतलब कि we are saying many things, lot of things, but if there is no meaning, if there is no meaningful interaction, meaningful ideas, meaningful attitude, meaningful information, so everything our communication is failed. So if we are interacting, or we are just sharing, and we are just transmitting any kind of ideas, attitude, information, this is what we are just it should be meaningful. I hope I am clear to everyone. Am I clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो मीनिंगफुल की बात कर रहे हैं हियर, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नीतीश मीनिंगफुल, है ना? तो इंटरेक्शन भी होना चाहिए, वो कैसा होना चाहिए? मीनिंगफुल होना चाहिए, उसका कोई मीनिंग होना, उसका कोई हिडन मीनिंग होना चाहिए, राइट? So then after it essences, you can see personal process occur between people, involve change in behavior, means to influence others, expression of thoughts and emotion through words and action, tool and for controlling and motivating people. It is a social and emotional process. So we are just concluding these points. These are some basic points, very important points, you can say. We are just motivating others, we are just motivating people. So how can we motivating, how can we motivate, or through words, through ideas, through influencing with our behavior, between, and in process. So these are, with the help of good communication, with the help of effective communication, we can do these things very well. Okay, तभी हम बच्चों कर सकते हैं. So you must improve your communication first of all. Okay, before saying anything. Okay, so you just think about it कि हम लोग क्या कहने जा रहे हैं और हमारे इसका मतलब क्या होगा, है ना. तो ये important है. Then after again, what are the most common ways we communicate? बच्चों देखो, there are 100 ways. Okay, now we are taking classes on Google Meet, Zoom. So these are सारे ways है बच्चों. These all are the ways. These what are the most common ways we communicate. So lot of ways we are having nowadays. Okay, because time has changed, so we cannot say कि only mobile phone या only this thing that thing. So there are lot of ways we can communicate. So spoken word, visual images, body language, and written word. So with the help of these things, we can communicate, and we can share our ideas. We can share our work to others easily. So with, these are some ways. So students, I hope समझ में आ गया हो सबको. ये वाला नहीं आ रहा है तो you can ask again. Okay. So we have discussed now the most common ways we communicate. Next is types. Types सबको पता है कि डाउनवर्ड कम्युनिकेशन, अपवर्ड कम्युनिकेशन, लैटरल, डायगोनल, हॉरिजॉन्टल, फॉर्मल नेटवर्क, इनफॉर्मल नेटवर्क. ओके, कौन बताएगा मुझे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फॉर्मल नेटवर्क एंड इनफॉर्मल नेटवर्क? यस, आई एम आस्किंग बिकॉज आई होप कि हम लोगों ने कर लिया ये वाले जो कुछ पॉइंट्स है हम लोगों ने कई बार डिस्कस कर लिए हैं क्लास में कि डाउनवर्ड, अपवर्ड एंड लैटरल, डायगोनल, फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल नेटवर्क. कौन बताएगा मुझे? कैन एनीवन टेल मी अबाउट द फॉर्मल नेटवर्क और इनफॉर्मल नेटवर्क? यस, राहुल, आदित्य, अमरजीत. यस, सलोनी, मोनू,
Free
अग्नि.
to move any direction is informal network.
Yes, yes. Speak loudly.
Free to move any direction.
Okay. नीतीश, आप, आदित्य. यस, पता है इसके बारे में? यस और नो?
एक बार मैम रिपीट कर दीजिए.
फॉर्मल चैनल और इनफॉर्मल चैनल. फॉर्मल चैनल और इनफॉर्मल चैनल. यस, कैन एनीवन टेल मी अबाउट द फॉर्मल चैनल और इनफॉर्मल चैनल? we have discussed many time formal communication, informal communication. So I hope पता हुआ सबको formal channel क्या है. पता है किसी को formal channel क्या है भाई? देखो formal channel क्या है बच्चों कि virtually vertical as per chain go command within the hierarchy, and the informal free to move. देखो formal में क्या है कि we need to focus actually, है ना. if we are talking about the formal things, है ना, formal channel, formal communication. okay, so we need to focused, है ना. हमें कैसे काम करना है, हमें कैसे हमारी जो कम्युनिकेशन है या हमारा कैसा नेटवर्क है, इट शुड बी वेरी वेरी फॉर्मल, है ना. तो नेटवर्क जो भी रहेगा हमारा फॉर्मल रहेगा या इनफॉर्मल रहेगा. तो फॉर्मल में बेटा सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है कि वी नीड टू फोकस, है ना. इनफॉर्मल में क्या है कि जैसे हम बताते थे कि फॉर्मली वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग टू समवन, फॉर्मली वी आर जस्ट सेंडिंग समवन एनी डॉक्यूमेंट टू समवन. इनफॉर्मली व्हाट वी आर सेंडिंग. तो फॉर्मल में वी नीड टू फोकस अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर, वी नीड टू फोकस अबाउट द फॉर्मेटिंग. तो फॉर्मली जो फॉर्मल नेटवर्क होते हैं वो किस तरह से कम्युनिकेशन को एनहांस करते हैं, है ना. दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. ओके, सो we need to focus about the formal and the informal channels. ठीक है, कि हमें फॉर्मली हम कैसे किसी को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, इनफॉर्मली कैसे we are just communicating to others. So now process very important कि sender, receiver, medium, feedback. तो सेंडर क्या है हमारा? एनकोडर है. और रिसीवर क्या है? डिकोडर है. तो सपोज वी आर सेंडिंग या वी आर कम्युनिकेटिंग या any email या any document, any formal document, if you are sending to, and our receiver, he or she is getting, okay, what we have sent, okay. So what we are receiving, if there is some mistake, if there is any error, so receiver can decode their point, decode their remark, decode their any remark and point. So now he or she can get feedback. After response, we can get feedback. So student, these are some, processing. So we need to focus about these all process. Whatever we are sending, either it is correct or incorrect. So we need to actually focus. So why we are saying this thing? Because these all things are formal channel, formal communication. We need to focus actually, okay, whatever we are just communicating to others. So इन मीडियम देखो, मीडियम क्या है, बैरियर्स है, बैरियर्स है, बैरियर मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी. सपोज सेंडर है, रिसीवर है, और बच्चों मीडियम क्या है आपका, कि बैरियर शो कर रहा है, देखो है ना. तो बैरियर में क्या है, प्रॉब्लम्स, हर्डर्स, है ना, जो भी कुछ आती है, कैसे उनको इम्प्रूव करना है, कैसे उनको रिजॉल्व करना है, कैसे उनको सॉल्व करना है, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. ओके, so the common process में you need to understand about the sender, receiver, medium and the feedback. Then after the barrier, देखो barriers to communication बहुत important है. कम्युनिकेशन से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट उसके बैरियर्स है ना. जो बैरियर्स मतलब जो हर्डल्स, प्रॉब्लम जो आती है जो उसमें आती है हमारे बैरियर्स में, ठीक है. तो नॉइस सबसे बड़ा है आपका बैरियर्स. इन अप्रोप्रिएट मीडियम, सपोज medium is not proper, so you will not feel well and you will not feel good during the communication, okay. So inappropriate medium is also part of the barrier. Assumptions and misconception. Suppose whatever topic या whatever point या whatever agenda we are discussing, if you are not getting, the concept is not getting properly, okay, misconception is there, assumption is not good. So this is also part of the barriers. You need to understand this point. Emotions are also, okay. Suppose if somebody want to say something to you, है ना, emotionally he or she is attached, या want to discuss, या want to communicate, if you are not ready to listen his or her words, his or her feelings, so this is also part of the barriers. I hope समझ में आ रहा है सभी को इतना, ठीक है. लैंग्वेज, अब हम देखें लैंग्वेज डिफरेंसेस. लैंग्वेज इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द बैरियर, कि we are not getting properly understand others language with the help of language, okay. Poor listening skills is also the barriers, कि if we are having poor listening, है ना, so we cannot perform well, or we cannot present ourselves well, because we are having poor listening skills, right. Distraction is also one of the barriers. Suppose at a time we are thinking lot, two or three things and we are doing, so we cannot perform well if we are having distractions and we are not attentive, okay, care, and we are not careful about it, okay. This is also the barrier. So hearing and listening is also very important. Hearing, physical process, natural, passive mode. Listening, physical as well as mental process, active learn process, a skill, because actively we are participating, actively we are listening, and we are responding as well, okay. Listening is hard, you must choose a participate in the process of listening. Value of listening, listening is listening to others is an elegant art, okay. And good listening reflect courtesy and good manners, okay. Listening carefully to the instructions of superiors improve competency and performance. The result of poor listening skill could be distresses in business, employment, and social relations. Good listening can eliminate a number of imaginary events of employee. Good listening skill can improve social relations and conversation. Listening is a positive activity rather than a passive or negative activity. So, my dear student, what we have learned from the value of listening. So, कोई any student can tell me कि the value of listening. Can anyone? We have discussed about the value of listening. Can any student can define or say something about the listening? Any student? Yes. Nishant, Aditya, Amarjeet, Nitish, Saloni. Yes. Any student can define something new about the listening? No? Nitish,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
We have discussed about the value of listening, beta. So can any point, if you want to add, कुछ बताना चाहोगे मुझे इसके बारे में, because we have discussed about the value of listening. Yes, any point.
And better understanding and make connection between idea and information.
Okay. और कोई? देखो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है इसको अंडरस्टैंड करना बेटा. If we are only reading or not getting properly, this is also problem. ठीक है. Listening to others is an elegant art. Good listening reflect courtesy and good manners. Okay, good listening, good listening reflect courtesy and good manners. So listening carefully to the instructions. Okay, अगर सपोज कोई इंस्ट्रक्शंस है आपके सामने, कोई आपको सपोज रीड करना है, तो यू नीड टू लिसन केयरफुली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, देन यू कैन एक्ट okay accordingly. So we need to focus and we need to listen carefully. This is the value of listening. तो गुड लिसनिंग, हम लोग क्यों कहते हैं कि गुड लिसनिंग स्किल कैन इम्प्रूव सोशल रिलेशन एंड कन्वर्सेशन. अगर बच्चों इफ यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू कीप गुड रिलेशनशिप और गुड रिलेशन विद अदर्स, we need to communication better, we need to conversation, we need to good conversation. Okay, so listening is a positive activity rather than a passive. Okay, so your active listening and your passive listening, you must understand about the active listening and your passive listening. Okay, then after essential of communication, so always think ahead about what you are going to say. That's a very very essential point we are discussing over here. Always think, okay, what we are saying to others, कहीं हम किसी को हर्ट तो नहीं कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो हमेशा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कुछ भी कहने से पहले यू नीड टू थिंक. ओके, ऑलवेज थिंक. समझ में आ रहा है इतना सभी को?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो वी आर नॉट वी आर नॉट हर्टिंग टू अदर, हम किसी को हर्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो ऑलवेज थिंक अहेड अबाउट व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू से. यूज सिंपल वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस दैट आर अंडरस्टूड बाय एवरीबॉडी. ओके स्टूडेंट, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है ऑलवेज यूज सिंपल वर्ड्स, सिंपल लैंग्वेज, simple phrases that anyone can understand about what we have said, yeah, what we are saying. Okay, so increase your knowledge on all subjects. You are required to speak clearly and audibly. हमेशा हम पूछते हैं ना, speak clearly, audibly, am I audible to you or not? Why? Because we are just communicating and we just want to connect with each other. Okay, check twice with the listeners whether you have been understood, accurate or not. In case of an interruption, always do a little recap. Okay, suppose there is some disturbance, so just take little recap of what has been already said. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब we are just reading and reading and reading. So if you want to take some pause, yeah, recap, then again you can start your conversation. Okay, it is not a big deal ki we need to sum up, or we need to just conclude our point right now. Okay, so we can take recap also, recap of what has been already said. Always pay undivided attention to the speaker while listening. While listening, always makes notes, important point. If you want to highlight, want to make notes, you can do that. अगर लगता है कुछ points important है, highlighted points है, तो we can write down. Always ask for clarification if you have failed to grasp others point of view. Agar if you are not getting properly, if there is any problem during conversation, you can take you can ask again. Okay, so repeat what the speaker has said to check whether you have understood accurately, right? So do not instantly react and mutter something in anger. Do not use technical terms and terminologies not understood by majority of the people. We have discussed this point also. We do not use technologies, technical terms. Okay, अगर कोई बच्चों समझ में नहीं आ रहा है किसी बच्चे को, तो बच्चों वेस्ट है ना। टेक्निकल वर्ड्स बच्चों हम जब यूज करें जब सामने वाला उसको अंडरस्टैंड करे, है ना। जो just try to use simple and the simple language words. Okay, do not speak too fast or too slow. That is also the essential point. Do not speak too fast or too slow. Do not speak in inaudible surroundings as you want to be heard. Do not assume that everybody understand you. While listening, do not glance here and there as it might distract the speaker. Also, do not interrupt the speaker. Do not jump on to the conclusion that you have understood everything. Okay, so this is also very important points कि we are not jumping. Okay, suppose आज हमने start किया communication, आज हमने start किया essential of communication, effective of communication. So we cannot conclude this slide या conclude this topic मतलब fastly. So we need to understand. We take some time. Okay, so do not jump to the conclusion that you have understood everything, right? So these are some points how to improve. Okay, so improve language, improve pronunciation, work voice modulations, work on body language, read more, listen more, read more, interact with qualitative people, improve on your topic of discussion, and practice meditations, good thoughts, think and speak. Do not speak too fast. Use simple vocabulary. Do not speak only to impress someone. Look presentable and confident. These are very very simple points, very important points, because we are here, we are just improving, we want to improve ourselves. Okay, okay. So there is no any hidden meaning, and there is no any point. We are just here, we just want to improve ourselves and nothing else. Okay, this is the main points. We need to focus and we need to improve ourselves. Okay, then after improving body language, very important, keep appropriate distance. First of all, touch only when appropriate. Take care of your appearance. Be aware people may give false cues. Maintain eye contact. Smile genuinely. Okay, so success for you in the new global and diverse workplace require excellent communication skills. So students, I am just conclude this class right now because we have meeting. So students, this is the most important point ki we need excellent communication skills. Okay, so please you just focus on 4 skills: your listening skills, your speaking skills, your reading and writing. Okay, so thank you students, so have a nice day. Okay students,
Thank
bye.
you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay
ma'am.
beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.